Cities face increasing difficulties to manage their energetic and food demand and the associated waste production. To overcome these challenges, 13 partners joined forces within DECISIVE, a European project to develop an innovative concept.
So the idea of DECISIVE is really to develop a network of decentralized proximity treatment sites in order to improve the organic loop in the urban area and to get this urban area more resilient.
Food waste generated locally is brought to small-scale biogas plants to produce energy, compost and biopesticides that are used in urban farms to produce local food. DECISIVE is now more than a concept. In late 2019, a demonstration site with a micro-anaerobic digestion plant has been launched in a farm of a horticulture training centre next to Lyon. This container hides the DECISIVE unit, designed to recover 50 tonnes of food waste per year. Food waste is collected from local restaurants and organic shops. The one-star Michelin restaurant Cours des Loges is one of the organisations providing their kitchen waste to the DECISIVE unit.
En cuisine, j'essaye d'impliquer toute la brigade pour trier justement les déchets. On va valoriser un maximum dans nos recettes les fans, les épluchures et tout ce qu'on ne peut pas valoriser, travailler en cuisine. On va faire ce tri pour que ça soit composté et naturellement retravaillé à la ferme. Et de fonctionner de cette façon-là, je trouve très vertueux pour nous, chefs de cuisine.
The separated waste is then collected and brought to the DECISIVE unit. There it undergoes several steps to be turned into valuable resources.
So everything starts here with the bin lifter, then the sorting table, then the shredder and the hygienization unit. From the hygienization unit we go to the storage, the pre-storage, which goes then to the main digester, where the anaerobic digestion occurs. From the main digester, the biogas goes on the other side where it's processed.
This is the stirring engine. In the stirring, the biogas is coming in the burner and feed the engine, and this is the electrical generator that produce electrical energy. In the meantime, we have hot water coming from the pipe and feed the digester.
As for the solid residue of the process, called the digestate, it is used as a fertilizer to boost food production.
The digestate come back here to the phase separator, where we have a solid and liquid phase separation, and with a liquid storage outside.
Part of the digestate is used to produce biopesticide through an innovative process, solid-state fermentation. This process has been developed and run by the Autonomous University of Barcelona in Spain. The biopesticide has been tested in an urban farm next to the micro-anaerobic digester in Lyon.
We've been using the output of the micro AD unit. The liquid phase of the digestate has been used as fertilizer for a hydroponic system, and the solid phase has been used in a lasagna bed in a box, which looks a bit like this. All of this has been yielding really good results. The biopesticide, for instance, has been achieving 70% performance as compared with commercial chemical pesticides.
The food produced on the farm is then sold to restaurants, thus closing the loop of nutriments at a local scale. One of these restaurants is la Cours des Loges.
Pour moi, c'est pas un déchet, c'est une valeur. On va nourrir la terre grâce à ça. On a l'impression, là on a eu les premières betteraves il y a quelques jours, et on a l'impression de retrouver ces parfums de fans de carottes, d'épluchures qu'on retrouve naturellement dans le légume. Chaque assiette, chaque création, justement, j'essaye d'avoir cet impact positif dans l'environnement, mais positif aussi socialement. On en parle à nos clients, on fait germer cette petite graine, cette attention qu'on apporte, nous, sur nos recettes, sur nos choix de produits, sur nos choix producteurs, peut-être pour qu'ils puissent le dupliquer chez eux.
The experience in Lyon shows that it is possible and relevant to treat bio-waste locally.
With the project we have learned outside the perimeter of our current solutions for centralized treatment of bio-waste. So we have learned a lot. It solved some of the questions we have. It also opened doors for new questions, right questions to look into the future of biowaste in urban areas.
The DECISIVE project is only one piece of the puzzle to unlock urban circular bioeconomy. Public authorities, private companies, research institutes and NGOs must continue to collaborate, involving also the general public. DECISIVE proves it. It is by working together that we will prevent food losses and waste and close the loops of nutriments.